How to report a lost card on the Westpac app. Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to report a lost card using the Westpac app. If your card goes missing, it's important to act fast, and the app makes it easy to do that in just a few steps. First, open the Westpac app in your smartphone. If you're not already logged in, enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're in, tap on the Cards tab at the bottom of the screen. This section lists all the cards you have linked to your Westpac account. Next, select the specific card you want to report. Double check that it's the correct one, especially if you have multiple cards. Now, tap on the Lost or Stolen option. You'll usually find this under the Manage Cards section or within Card Settings. Follow the prompts to confirm your card is lost. When submitted, Westpac will immediately block the card to prevent unauthorized use. Finally, you'll be asked to request a replacement card, just to confirm your delivery address and submit the request. Your new card will be sent to you shortly.